Hello, Internet. Hello, bike lovers. Bonjour. Today, troublesome thing with a flat tire. Most important lighting during day, independent USB lighting installed. If the battery is off, you have no lighting during night. That's absolutely dangerous. So, where to put the tent below the frame in front? Then a cheap GPS. Don't lose your expensive phone over difficult tours. And you need a strong horn for trucks and other people. Okay, that's very important. Strong horn, electric, USB recharging, and there's a wind against you in the war, so you run in the second step path to save power. It's around about 20 kilometers per hour. If you do more, you lose so much power of your battery with luggage you won't arrive. Then comes the big arrow. You be a nice person when you leave the bike lane. There's very often a small lane for bikes on a normal road, and this I paid heavily because there is a lot of gravel and split glass, and wow, I got a flat tire.
And look at the
The
mark.
Lankeleisi has a 15 key to open the axle, but you need an 18 because it's electric. The electric wiring comes out of that. So the only thing what you can do is call a friend, fold a bike, it fits in a trunk. A very bad day, but the experience is good. You cannot roll the bike, the tire goes off. So